Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I achieve my gel and twist look. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
I took this time on my video to tell y'all to subscribe and like and comment.
So I'm here on YouTube with y'all right now, as y'all can see, and y'all see me. And I'm just finna be doing my hair. Remember when I told y'all that I'm gonna be showing y'all my hair journey, damage my hair is from bleach and everything? You think my hair is finna stay like this? You're out of your picking mind, because
So first what I did was part it down the middle, well, in the front, and combed it to the back.
And then I'm gonna wash it out and probably get like a wash and set the following week, or probably during the week. I don't know.
So right now I sectioned off my hair and I'm brushing out, putting the gel on, brushing out again, putting gel on, then I'm twisting.
Taking out this braid, part straight down the middle, no crooked parts. I'm just putting my hair back in my scrunchie. I am done sectioning this part. Applying, then applying more, then twisting. Period. I'm here. And we're gonna do this side. I'm parting, then I put it in a scrunchie, then I'm applying, then I'm finna twist. No, I'm finna comb out, then I'm finna show y'all my length, then I'm gonna twist, and look how beautiful that twist is. Ooh, I'm feeling it. I'm probably gonna record like 3 videos with this hairstyle. Let me get my thumbnail. So now what I'm finna do is just take this, put some gel on it, and we're gonna put this down the middle of my roots. That is the end of this video. Not sit here and try to cap, because I know you're lying. Yes, like, comment, and subscribe if you want to keep seeing my pretty face. Then stay tuned. A little tip, stay tuned.